don't know why that's not working. Alright, whatever. Alright, we're going live. Alright, we should be live. Not working. It's 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 not working. Whatever. It's not working. 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 Whatever. Alright, we're going live. Alright, we should be live. I think we're up. Alright. Oh my god, I'm going now. I'm retarded. I need to. Hang on. Fuck. Fucking up these streams. uh. All right. We were Australian Canadian dollar. I hope you can fucking hear me now. Let me make sure. All right, you can hear me now. All right, all right, all right. Australian Canadian dollar. What we're gonna do? We're gonna go through all the charts, and we're gonna go monthly, weekly, daily. So we'll get a really good analysis of everything. Now we're on the daily. Let me just fix this trend line up a bit. A bit. Daily. Now, what do we see on the daily? Mm, mm, wait. A little bit of an overshoot there. It's starting to see. It's catching the support line. I don't want to do that. What do we see in here? What do we see here? What do we see? What do we see? We see this. We see that. All right, we got one trend line drawn. We'll draw another here to these 2 points. Doesn't matter really. And now in the shorter term, really short term, we'll draw this one. Well, what are we seeing here? Okay. We should be looking to catch support here. That's what we're looking for. And we're going to see that. That's exactly what we're going to see. In the short term here, I know this chart looks a little schizophrenic, but we have very strong support here. So we're going to be looking for a double bottom here for the time being. And I don't know. We'll see. Something to keep your eye on. Something to keep your eye on. All right. We'll go back to the monthly. Remove all drawing tools. Oh yeah, I need to get my moving averages up too. I use a 50 and a 100. Sometimes I use a 50 and a 200 for the death cross, but don't really matter to me. Don't really matter. All right, we'll make this one black. And how do I make it bigger? How do I make it fucking bigger? Precision. What does that mean? How do I make it thicker? Oh, duh. Alright. Okay, we got that one. Now our 100. 100. And we'll go here. Here. Make this one really thick. And cool. So, major support here. Resistance here. Resistance support here. Resistance. 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 How many times can I say that? Go to the weekly. What do we got here? What do we got? We got this downtrend. Okay. Trend channel down. It's not going to be exact. Whatever. It doesn't matter. You get the point. We got a breakout. Never really saw a pullback. We got a top here. Double top. And price moved down. And now we're in a channel. Very tight channel compared to what was going on back here. Very tight channel. Really tight channel. Jesus, when you think about it. Compared to what this volatility we had back here. Jesus. This is like nothing. Like, what the fuck is this? This is fucking 4 years of price data compared to all these. This, wow, crazy. Man, that's that delicious. That is so good. A little butter in the coffee. Well, what do we got? We got that trend line down. I don't really want to draw a bottom trend line, support trend line, because it's just not. I just don't care to. It's kind of a falling wedge, or broadening wedge, falling wedge, broadening wedge. We kind of got a broadening wedge here. Tough to say. Anyway, so now on the daily we got support here. This is the flash crash, and we got support here. We had a double top here. Am I signed in? This is gonna dox me. Hang on. We're gonna dox myself here. So I'm gonna put that here and put this here. We'll connect real quick. Perfecto. All right. We have a position on this. That's what I wanted to check. All right. Had to make sure. All right. So what do we got here? We got a pullback. Pullback from this move down. All right. We had this sharp move down. 58-degree trend line angle, which is aggressive. I think typically what you want for long-term trends is like 45 degrees. Somewhere around there. Which is where that would be, somewhere around there. Yeah. So we got this aggressive move. Price broke out aggressively. And we got a double top here that I took a short out on because I believed it was a continuation, which it appears to be to me. And that broke, and price has been breaking. Now we do have minor support here. Very minor. And we need to break that. Once we break that, taking me money. Taking my money. Now, looking at this long term, where do I think price is heading? I think it's going to retest that flash crash low at the bare minimum. And that's probably where I'm going to put my take profit once we break this. That's probably where I'm going to put it now, actually. Well, actually, this is also key support. And I think we're going to retest that too. We'll see. So I am going to move that down. Originally that was at a 2-to-1 risk reward, which is usually my main goal. That's usually what I keep it at. But this would put me around 322. Skull and bones. Man, is that delicious. That is so delicious. that'll be good. So, yeah, what do we got? We got a double top here. We got RSI divergence. Well, sort of. And that's what we went short on. And it doesn't seem to be catching support, despite how price is kind of reacting to this minor support. I don't think it's. You could say it's consolidating from this move up, but I don't. I think we're heading down. We'll see. It all depends on how price reacts here. We do have this 50 moving average coming in and offering resistance. So Australian dollar, offshore Chinese yuan. We'll go take it to the monthly, shall we? Remove all drawing tools. It's going to take forever. What time is it? 5:41. Well, let's try and work through this quickly. You'll see me in action here. Oof. Gaps are usually support and resistance oftentimes, but you can see they're fucking doing horizontal line. Jesus. Here. We got one here. We got a little bit in here, but we'll do that on the weekly. Yeah. Okay. Do the weekly. Here's that support there. And now we'll get an analysis here. We got this here. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe here. Probably here. I don't know. Alright, well, let's go from here first. Let's check out what happened here. We had a descending triangle. So, descending triangle, that broke. Really nice setup. That broke. Imagine taking that on the daily. Jesus, that would have been a lot of money. That broke. Price broke down, moved down, caught a bottom. Price moved up. Kind of head and shouldered here. Double top here. Move down. Now we're in this, what looks to be like a megaphone. And we're just chilling here. We'll go down to the daily because I can't really get a good. Yeah, we have this kind of like megaphone shit going on here. But it's really not. Some of that shit. Some of that action. Yeah, it's just, ugh. Something like that. I don't know. It's not perfect. It's not beautiful. Just to get an idea, I don't even trade this, so it's just kind of for the heck of it. For the hell of it. See, we had this trend line down. That got broke. Price did retrace. Move up. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's consolidating. And I don't know where it's heading, to be honest with you. So, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I thought we had a inverse head and shoulders, kind of a caught by a handle. Oh, right. I need to go down to the monthly. That's right. That's right. I'm sorry. I'm following my own rules. Remove all drawing tools. Heavy support in here, resistance, 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 support, and resistance. Weekly. Okay. This trend line here broke. Trend line here broke. And now we have this trend line here. Probably put it like that. Okay. And you can see the flash crash in there. But we're still going to put the bottom of this on. Shall we? Now, that's interesting. It's not really touching. It's kind of wedging. A little bit. Tough to say. Tough to say. We're not going to put the we're not going to put the bottom on. Okay. Now what do we see? What do we see? Let's connect this to this, just in case. All right. What do we see? What are we looking for here? Well, how has price reacted every time this was hit? Bullish, very bullish. Here it got tested, here it got tested, here tested, and it's coming down to test again. Do we think it'll hold? I mean, we have to see what price shows, but I remember that. See, I hate drawing trend lines in the weekly because they look so fucking ugly. Alright. It's kind of, ugh. Eek. I hate how this looks. I just hate how it looks. There's nothing clear to it. There's just these lines. Well, we got support here. That's all we really know. That's all we can really look for the time being. Short term, you might be able to catch a bottom here. Very short term. But I'm not going to touch this anytime soon. Nothing here. Unless it hit any of these trend lines, I don't care. I'd rather. I only want to get short on this baby. Maybe if there's a setup down here on this support line, but I don't think it's going to come anywhere near that anytime soon. So we'll see. Man, this analysis is going to take forever. Alright. To the monthly, shall we? Remove all drawing tools. And we'll go here. Boom. 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 So yeah, mainly on the monthly, I'm just doing support and resistance. It's easy to see. It's easy to see major support and resistance levels. Major. Ooh. Now we go to the weekly, and I'm also doing it on the weekly. Sort of. I'm also doing a little bit of a trend line on the weekly, but yeah. Looking for patterns that I never saw before. That's a strong trend line down. Kind of a broadening wedge here. Kind of a broadening wedge down. I don't know. Yeah. It looks like it might be starting to kind of triangle a little bit. Okay, let's get that hit. What do we see? What do we see? What are we looking for? Let's get it in here real tight. Let's get in here real tight. Take a quick look. What are we seeking? What do we seek from Yahweh? Oh shit. Ooh, we do have support here. Sorry, totally sidetracked. So we kind of have a descending triangle. Kind of don't know what we have. Alright. Guys, it's going to take forever. It's going to take a really long time. Is it worth it? Is it worth redoing all my charts? Oof. Look at all this I got to do. Oh, no way. No way is it worth it. I don't have the time. Oh, yeah, 5:49. Man. Well, maybe we need to speed this up a bit. Yikes. We're going to need to speed this up a bit. Or maybe I won't talk as much. Maybe you'll just have to watch me do my fucking shit. Nice triangle. Breakout. Pullback. Never took a long short on this. What happened? Where was I? What happened here? Come on, kid. You know why? I saw this probably, and I was like, deterrent. But that's a perfect triangle. Perfect. It's going to come back down and test this low in the long term. That's my guess. And we'll get this trend line drawn, and we'll call it. Oh, this is the weekly still, too. What the fuck? How did I miss that fucking triangle? Now we'll go real tight here. We got a nice pennant, it looks like. Something. It's not really moving. It's something. Yeah, it's kind of a pennant. I don't know. We'll see, man. I'm not too sure where this is heading. All right, we can't do it. No, we're just gonna have to run through this. I can't do fucking massive analysis today. I don't have the time. I don't have the time. I just have to bear with it because we're just gonna run through these now. CAD PLN. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a short. That's a short if I've ever seen one. Man, but you're shorting into this ascending triangle. Check that though. Look at all that resistance there. That's a really nice trend line. I'd love for price to hit one day. See, I hate how fucked up it gets when you do it on the weekly, and it's like way off, and you go down to a daily. Man, that's nice. All right. Do I think price is gonna break out and retest that trend line? I do. I do, kind of, but I don't know where it's heading now. What do you call this? Well, this is this is just the today candle. I'm not gonna trust that, but that's a top, man. That's a top. That is a top. We'll have to wait for tomorrow's candle, but I have a feeling it's going to be a very strong move down, and we're not really going to get an entry. So keep your eye on it. But nothing there. Whoa. Whoa. Eh. I didn't touch that one for good reason. All right, we have a long position on the Euro Australian dollar. Where do I think it's heading? Up for the time being. Yeah, see, I'm taking it inside the triangle, so I'm not really too keen on holding it long term because there's really no telling where this is heading, quite frankly. And we kind of had this head, shoulder, right shoulder, price broke, and now it's really retracing. But it was wedging, but this trend line's strong. This is a strong trend line. Third touch. Where do I think price is moving? It's tough for me to say. Up. Up. I hope up. For now, we'll just take our money. We'll take our money and probably get out of this pretty soon here. 2 to 1 is what we're going for. It's catching resistance too. It's probably gonna retrace. I have a feeling it's probably gonna retrace. This is a big resistance line. I was hoping it would break this. Thing is, if it breaks this, it's probably gonna continue up. Yeah, I'm unsure. We're just gonna take our money and get out of that. We'll take our 2 to 1. Say fuck it. Fuck it. If I thought it was a good position I could hold for a long term and get like 6 to 1 on it or something, I would, but I can't tell where it's heading. So I'm confident in that trend line will hold, and I'm confident it's going to retrace, but I have to see how it reacts to that resistance line. If it retraces, we're going to get a double top here. That's going to be a big double top. Interesting, interesting. Ooh, I'm short here? No, these never canceled. I got out of this trade because I was like, right? Yeah, I got out of this. I closed it down here, actually. I think, or here. I closed it somewhere. I closed it in the money, but it wasn't much money. Because I saw how the euro was moving that day. The day my trade closed. I don't want to be in this today. Alright. There's the euro. Yeah, Yes, there it is. We want you to catch a bottom. That's what we want. And that's what I think you're doing. Let's take a look at you on the weekly, shall we? Shall we? You're ready. Euro is ready. It's blossomed into a fully grown woman. Um, how did I? Why? Is there a reason I didn't draw that? Oh, to me that looks pretty. Oof. Okay. See, it gets so fucked up on the daily. Whatever. I don't care. It's not gonna come anywhere near that line anytime soon anyway. Okay. Wedging, 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 wedging. Have you caught a bottom? Have you caught a bottom of the euro? Indecision candle, spinning top. Not what I want to see, but we made money on this one. We made money here. We did indeed. We made a little money. Price just came up and nicked our take profit. Just nicked it. That was back. And then, did we get short on this? No, we didn't. I can't remember. Oh yeah, we got short again. We got short in here. I shorted this down to here. So we've made a good amount of money just in these little movements in here. And I'm looking to catch a bottom. I really am. I'm hoping. Let's see. This is Friday's candle. Inside candle. Kind of a hammer. Looks like it's. I don't know. I can't say. We'll see. Something to keep your eye on. I'm hoping it catches a bottom here. Well, let's see how tomorrow's candle is. Come on, come on, come on. This has been a long ass analysis already. 27 minutes. That broke out. What's those Link still fucking Link's trying to catch a bottom. Resistance, yeah. That'll come back down, I think. CK, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? What's going on here? We got short here, double top. It's moving really well. It broke support here. Needs to break support here. And then I'm good. I'm bueno. But look at that. Aggressive. Good move. Nice candle. Really good candle. I'm pretty confident in that position. Oh man. Pretty confident in that position. So I have a good feeling price is gonna come back down and test this bottom. But we'll see. Can't be sure of anything. So man, I'm getting like fucking tired all of a sudden. Okay, SGD, KHDK, USD CAD. Nope. Wait. Ooh. US dollar, Danish krone. I feel like I look at this every time and go, oh, no RSI divergence. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. They're all pulling back. Inverted head and shoulders. That's what I'm seeing. USDs are, where are you at? Alright, what's going on here? What's going on with silver Australian dollar? Still a big breakout. Head and shoulders. Ooh, I forgot to show this. That's so beautiful. That's so fucking beautiful. God damn it. Look at that. Look at that. You cannot find me a more perfect pattern. I'm still waiting for this thing to retrace, and I know it will, because it's running on it's way overbought. It needs to cool off a bit. Just come back down. I can't even trade it. I can trade this one, though. Silver US dollar, I think. Alright, well, let me. Maybe it won't let me. That's too bad. That's kind of annoying. Can we put a buy order? Can we? Come on, let me. I don't think it will. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this one to retrace. What the fuck? Is it trying to break out higher? It might. Copper. Palladium. What's going on with palladium? Jeez, that's gonna top. I would not want to be anywhere near that. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that's a top. God, I wish I could get short on this. When the time comes, not now. When the time is right. Um, Dow Jones. Alright, that's it. That's my analysis for today. Take care, take it easy. Hope you enjoyed. Ask any questions. Make money.